train at Goldquest Soccer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the inside foot strike. This is how you do the right foot inside strike. First, you put your plant foot, which is my left foot, high on the ball. Then you want your heel down and your toe up. And then you want to strike the center or the heart of the ball and just step through. Here's a demonstration of the right foot inside strike at pace. How you do the left foot inside strike. You put your right foot as your plant foot, high up on the ball. Then you put your left foot, heel down, toe up, strike through the center of the ball, and strike through it. Demonstration of the left foot inside strike at pace. This has been brought to you by Goldquest Films.